What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape. Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape. Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Yeah! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! That's me!
Snape.
Harry!
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 Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape.
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Singing our song all day long at
Hogwarts! I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
How deep do you think that is?
6, 7 feet?
Cannonball.
Cannonball!
All around me are familiar faces.
Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man!
You're a monster!
I'm not the monster here, you are! You and the rest of that fairy tale trash poisoning my perfect world. Now tell me, where are the others?
Eat me!
Holy fucking shit, it's a dinosaur! Jesus Christ, what the fuck?
I love your dress.
It's the exact same dress I've been wearing every day to school.
No, I know, but it's so good today.
I lost like 27 pounds.
Oh my god, what is your secret?
I had my arms ripped off.
Baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be bad love. So take a look what you've done.